Hiker Jay here. This week we're talking about my new sink system, mostly the DOMETIC items that really make it work. It's pretty great. I can just get water anytime I want into my sink right here, and it draws from down below. I'll talk about that. But this whole thing just kind of tucks away into that drawer while I travel, and then when I get to where I want to be, I'm able to pull it out, put it all together, and have myself a nice little sink for potable drinking water. If this is the first time to my channel, if you could hit subscribe and like, that'd be awesome. And as always, all the products I'll be talking about will be linked down below. So this is how I have it at the campground. I can take and put this in and put it all away when I'm traveling, but they give you this magnet, and the faucet itself is magnetic on the bottom. So I could put it up here too and other places, but this works really well having it as a faucet. You just tap the top and you get fresh water going just like that. Tap it again and turn it off. Like I said, this is battery operated, so you plug it in back here and it works really nice. So I'm loving it as a faucet. And then it draws from down here where I've got the water jug, the DOMETIC water jug, and all the attachments on top here. Let me pull it out and I'll be able to show you a little bit more about that. Okay, I have the jug out. It goes up to 11 liters of water, which is really great. It has a fill line there, has these handles that do come off, has a fill spout here, but this one also has like this nice pour spout to it too. But it also has a water spout where you could lean this thing over and be able to turn it on and off. I don't have that with me, I left that at home. But this is where it plugs in to the actual faucet and then your air valve. So you got to let that go so that it can actually draw out of the water source there. But this has been such a great system for me. Like I said in the beginning, if you're interested in any of these, I put links down below. Till next time, just remember, if life's a hike, hike happy.